Hi everyone, I'm Elizabeth.
And I'm David.
And today we have launched our 4th annual All Wales report, Housing That Works, a tenant-driven approach to improvement.
And we're going to just cover 4 quick things that are takeaways from this report for you.
So first one is affordability and financial pressures. Keeping rents affordable is one of the most important things to tenants, as you can expect.
Yep.
Affordability challenges are intensifying, and this comes out hard in this report.
Second thing is, when you ask tenants what they want to hear from their landlords, the most important thing is always maintenance, development. When you're going to do work, when those windows, it's not necessarily about having it now, but it's about communication and knowing when these things are going to happen. Same with energy efficiency. They want to know when improvements can be made to make their homes warmer and cheaper to live in.
Tenant engagement, so 60% of tenants are happy with the engagement within that landlord, and that has increased since last year. So we are seeing improvements, but still 40% are not satisfied. There's differences between that tenant engagement with landlords in the social housing sector and private rental sector.
And when we ask tenants about what matters to them in their home and their community, certainly for social housing tenants, better tackling of antisocial behaviour is still a key consideration. Yeah, you see the parking, yeah, you see other things, but antisocial behaviour is not, tenants want to see more action on that. When you're in the private renter though, that doesn't feature as much, and they want to see more around their community, as in better public transport, access to shops and things like that. So it's all available on the website. There's an executive summary, there's a full report. Do check it out, do engage with it, and let's be the difference we want to make.
Thank you. Diolch yn fawr.